Hi class. This week we're posting our discussion board posts about the cognitive load theory and its effects. The specific effect that I picked under cognitive load theory is the guidance fading effect. Basically, what the guidance fading effect boils down to is that novices need more guidance in something than experts do. Seems like a pretty common sense thing, but this is the effect that was discussed in the cognitive load theory. Basically, as someone's expertise in something increases, the amount of guidance that someone is given should decrease. When you're new at something, when you're learning something, you get a lot of your knowledge from the borrowing principle. Basically, you're using somebody else's knowledge to accomplish the task. When you become more proficient at that, you start using your own long-term memory instead of using the borrowing principle. The example in the text is that when working out problems, novices are given worked examples of something, and then once they get a little bit better at it, they are given completion problems, which has a partial solution that they figure a problem out the rest of the way for. And then eventually an expert will be given a full problem that they can figure out for themselves. Somewhere I've seen this in my own teaching has been when we introduce different things to do on the computer. Initially, we have to walk our students through exactly how to open up the computer and then open up, for example, a Word document, and then how to make a Word document, and then how to change the font, etc., etc. And as they become more proficient at that, all we have to do later on is tell them open up Word, and they'll know to open up all of the things associated with the computer and then open up a Word document for themselves. And then eventually we can just tell them type up a paper on whatever the topic is, and they'll be able to do that for themselves. The negative side of continuing to give step-by-step detailed instruction is that the expert will tend to become complacent or bored and start to make mistakes if not challenged and allowed to do things on their own. So that's my explanation of the guidance fading effect and how it applies to the cognitive load theory. See you next week.